watchers and subscribers, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video. So today I'm gonna do a two-part video, which is a jerk hoghead fried breadfruit. So I'm seasoning up the hoghead. So basically me clean up the hoghead and thing, because I never want to actually show the hoghead with me. I clean up the hoghead based up off of YouTube and them policy. So me I shred out the ginger. Shredding out the onion. So basically I'm gonna season it and leave it overnight. I have the breadfruit them finished roast off. So I'm gonna fry the breadfruit in the next part of the video. So I'm just going through and just chopping up the scallions. So I'm chopping them up as fine as possible. Adding the scallion, adding some thyme. So I already washed the season them already. So I'm just going through and just cutting them up. So I'm adding a tablespoon pork season, some permenter seed, cracked permenter seed, a tablespoon of jerk season, so I'm gonna add some jerk season. And some all-purpose season. So I'm just gonna rub in the season and taste the season. So basically that's how me seasoning the meat. When I'm seasoning, just season and taste. So if there's no adjustment to make when I come on to add in the season, then I can add. So I'm adding just a little bit more of the jerk season. And guys, the rain has come down already, because the rain start fall early now. As you guys can hear, the rain is coming down real hard. So I'm just gonna leave this overnight to marinate. So it's gonna be a jerk pork, fried breadfruit and roast corn. So So guys, welcome back to the second part of the video. So I have on the pot right now, I boil up. So I'm going to add some pineapple skin in it. Permenter, leaf, scallion, piece of thyme, piece of garlic, piece of ginger. So I'm gonna let it boil up for 5 minutes before I add the pig head in a heat. So I'm just gonna make it boil up and add flavor to the water. So the pig head are marinated from overnight. As you can see, seasoned, well soaked, and the pot will boil up now for about 5 minutes. So I'm adding the pig head. So for all the pork lovers, the pig head with fried breadfruit and roast corn today. So I am currently checking on the pig head, guys. It's been 30 minutes now. So I'm just checking on it, turning it, make sure that it is cooking and it's tender enough. Whew. Yeah, so I'm gonna check back at it in another 10 minutes. I'm just placing the corns right at the side. So I don't really want too much fire under it because just the coal alone can roast the corn. Just latch up on the pork. And the pig head are go on guys, you can see I get tender enough. So it has been on the fire for about 1 hour now. So I'm just turning the corn. As you can see, they are roasting. So they don't really need no heap of heat. Just turn them and check on the pig head. So it's been on the fire for about 1.5 hours now, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So the meat done cook. Straight on the grill. So we're carrying it straight on the grill. Now we have the pig head on the grill, so I'm just add some permenter leaf over it, some under the fire, and it helps you add flavor to the meat. So I use 1 spoon of jerk season and a little bit of sugar. So I'm using the juice from the pork to make the sauce. So I'm going to use some ketchup, and the corn almost finished. So when the corn done, I'm going to strip them off and just add them on the grill. I'm just adding the beer over the meat, which is the jerk pig head, and the beer is to help to add flavor and also keep the meat moist. And the reason why you see the meat is looking white is because I cut them up. I basically slice it. So after adding the sauce on it, then it will get a little bit darker. So I'm just dipping the meat into the dip sauce. So I'm just adding it and let the meat dry up the sauce a little bit. Otherwise make the sauce dry on onto the meat. So I'm currently dip them one more time in the sauce. So I'm just waiting on the sauce to dry on. And they are catching good color. You can see it for yourself. And big up to the cameraman. I'm checking on the tongs. I'm checking on the breadfruit, so I'm just frying the breadfruit now. I'm turning them. Taking out the first batch breadfruit. Trying to go as fast as possible because you know the rain fall pretty early, so I'm trying to go as fast as possible. I'm taking out the second batch. Breadfruit. So I'm taking out the last set of breadfruit. Guys, I was saying I'm taking out the last set of plantain to the way how I'm a person who loves plantain. So the cameraman said you love too much plantain, but yeah, he's right. I'm a person who loves plantain. So the fried breadfruit finished. So I'm just gonna make a sauce to serve over the jerk pork. So I'm just gonna make a sauce for the jerk pork. And you know, a Hoghead. I'm just making the sauce first. I'm using some salt and some pepper, some onions. So, checking on the sauce. it finished, so I'm gonna take it off. I shear out 2 plates now. So one for the cameraman and somebody is coming to have some. Or just a little piece more. Want more sauce? So, see what a jerk pig head look like, roast corn, fried breadfruit, and you know, so we reach to the end of the video. So please like, comment and share for more awesome content. Peace out. Big up to the cameraman as always.